Today, Ohio Governor Mike DeWine announcing the statewide 10 p.m. curfew could ease up a little bit as early as Thursday due to improving COVID-19 case numbers. Also, a drop in hospitalizations as well. But while those are on the decline, the number of deaths remain high.
Our Kristen Swilley shares one man's story of losing his mom to the disease and how he's now one of thousands of Ohioans finding a new way to mourn.
My mother turned her head, looked right at me and said, "I love you too."
And those were the last words Scott Reynolds heard her say. For months, he fought to be by her side while she lived in a nursing home.
I could see the deterioration, and the side effects from COVID and Alzheimer's. It had taken a toll on my mother.
Reynolds was called into the facility for end of life in late December. His mother died New Year's Day around 6:15 a.m.
I had tried to reach out to the facility the next day to get her belongings, and my mother's facility would not let me back in to the facility to get her belongings because my mother was no longer a resident.
That's just one of the many battles mourning families face during COVID-19. The number of COVID-related deaths reported Tuesday was high at 88, a possible lasting effect of the holiday spike that remains while overall cases trend down.
Compared to where we have been, it's a better number, and it would appear to be an improving number.
Experts say the case numbers are promising, and as hospitalization and death numbers tend to lag behind, they're cautiously optimistic the state is turning the corner. It's why DeWine is considering easing or even eliminating the curfew should the numbers continue to fall.
And what we look at is how many patients are in the hospital who are COVID patients every single day. And what we have seen is a pretty decent drop in the last week or so.
Kristen Swilley, WCPO 9 News.